Once upon a time, in the land of the World Wide Web, a little ad popped up about a pill that you only have to take one of, and your life will change forever. So I clicked on it, thinking about Jack and the Beanstalk. When I get to the site, it is an actual bean, a magic bean. So I buy it, and it is immediately at my doorstep. I take the bean/pill, and by the next day I have lost 10 pounds. The next day another 10 pounds, and every day after that 10 pounds, until I am at the weight I want to be. I am only eating healthy foods, and if I eat sugar or fattening foods, I become ill. No one recognizes me, and my family are amazed. I feel great! And we all live happily ever after. The end.
Created using Powtoon.